Hi, I'm Robert Hoding. I'm a welding instructor for NCC Welding. Our program is designed to introduce the students to many different avenues for welding. You can take the manufacturing route, TIG welding route, structural route, and that as well. We start off as basic welds with multiple processes. Shielded metal arc, gas metal arc, gas tungsten arc, oxyacetylene, plasma cutting. They go through the processes. By the time they get to the second semester, we kind of go into the advanced classes that specialize in stainless, aluminum, mild steel, pulse welding, metal core, flux core type of applications. So hopefully by the end of this 1 year, they'll have a pretty good idea of where they want to be certified in.
I chose the welding program because I got to do welding a little bit in high school, and I enjoyed it a little bit here and there, and then I thought it would be a good industry to go into because there's many people that are needed, and it's kind of like art to me. It's the consistency, it's the patterns, it's what you get to weld on, it's what you get to do, it's where you get to go, what you get to see, and the people you meet. I think it's a lot of fun.
We offer an AWS, American Welding Society's certification. It's a nationally known certification, travels with the students. In this general area, I would say probably in that $20, $25 range is probably hitting a lot of the job areas here. Typical student's day starts at roughly 8 o'clock in the morning. We spend about half an hour to an hour in the classroom, and then we come to lab and we spend the rest of the day in lab making weldments in all positions and all types and shapes and sizes. Eventually we get into fabricating.
I just really like thinking of different designs, like problem and solution, the different problems that the world has or the different problems that I have or other people have. And I just like trying to think and brainstorm of ideas that can solve and fix them.